Walking into Fort Charlotte feels like stepping onto a movie set, except this isn't Hollywood. This is real Jamaican history, and it's been standing right here in Lucea, Hanover, for over 250 years. Today we're uncovering one of Jamaica's most underrated historical gems. Most people have no idea this place even exists, which honestly makes it even more perfect. If you're loving this hidden gem already, do me a solid and gently tap that like button. It helps us keep bringing you these authentic, off-the-beaten-path adventures across Jamaica. Fort Charlotte was built way back in the mid-17th century by the British during the colonial wars. The moment I arrived, I was completely blown away by how intact everything is. We're talking stone walls that have survived centuries, massive cannons still pointing toward the sea, and an armory that's basically frozen in time. Trying to imagine conflict in this place now is almost impossible. It's so peaceful, so beautiful, that the violence and warfare feel like they belong to another world entirely. The fort is built with these rectangular stones. There are several openings facing toward the sea, strategic placements for defense. Every detail tells a story about what this place meant to the people who built it and defended it. Now, there's no official tour guide on site, but there is historical information posted around the fort. You can spend as much time as you want at each spot, imagining the history, taking in those incredible views, and feeling the energy of the place. And speaking of views, the sea views alone are worth the trip. It's absolutely breathtaking. So if you're heading to Hanover Parish, Fort Charlotte has to be on your list. Seriously, don't skip this one. Bring comfortable shoes, bring your camera, and bring your respect for history. This place deserves all three.